Last week, tech geeks peeked under OpenAI's brand new GPT 5.5 and discovered a bizarre secret hidden in the code. Hello, and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Deep inside the system, engineers had issued a desperate all-caps warning, "Stop talking about goblins." It sounds like a prank, but it's 100% real. OpenAI finally confessed this Wednesday, admitting their billion-dollar AI has become a nerd and is now obsessed with monsters for months. Since the release of GPT 5.1, the word goblin surged by a staggering 175%, while gremlin mentions jumped 52%. What started as a few charming verbal tics turned into a full-blown infestation that the company couldn't ignore. So where did this all begin from? It turns out we have the nerds to blame. OpenAI traced the glitch back to ChatGPT's nerdy personality setting. This specific mode was designed to be quirky and embrace the strange, but something went off in the training. A single reward mechanism in the AI's brain started handing out gold stars every time the model mentioned a creature. The AI effectively taught itself that calling something a gremlin was the peak of human intelligence. But those nerdy vibes were contagious. Like a digital virus, the goblin obsession leaked into the model's main brain, infecting everything from poetry to professional emails. By the time they started building GPT 5.5, the monsters were everywhere. Developers had to slap a "No Creatures Allowed" sign on the new Codex app just to keep them away. While OpenAI is now using high-tech tools to get rid of these bugs, we say, let the bots be bizarre. In a world of boring tech, why not keep the goblins? For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.